Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in into your QuickBooks account. QuickBooks is an accounting software package developed and marketed by Intuit. First introduced in 1992, QuickBooks products are geared mainly towards small and medium-sized businesses offer on-premise. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks. When you're on the home page of QuickBooks, you can go on the upper right corner to log in. There are two options: QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Online Accountant. You can choose any one of both you want. Then you have to add your email ID or your user ID. There's also option of phone number. You can log in through your phone number. Then enter your password. If you can't remember your password, click on the sign in a different way option. So you get two options when you click on that: enter password and email a code. So it will send you an email at your email ID that you can use it to verify your account. So there is an option for remember me. If you don't want to keep adding email ID and password again and again into your same computer, keep this option on, remember me. If you can't remember your email or user ID, you can also try something else option. You have to go through the process of verifying yourself. You have to use your mobile phone to take a picture of your government issued ID, and they will match your personal data. You can use any of these two options or both of them: email, phone number, and email and phone number both. You can also at the same page create your account, create your own account. There are several plans for that. You can choose what is convenient for according to your usage. You can pay monthly or you can pay annually, which saves you 50%. There are various plans called Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, Advance, and each plan has its own benefit. Once you have entered your login details, click on the sign in button. Now you should be logged in into your QuickBooks account, where you can manage your business, finances, and more. That's all for this quick tutorial. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.